Hi, I'm Eric from 3M PELTOR. This video is part of the 3M PELTOR series featuring the ComTac Tactical Headset. In this video, we will focus on transitioning the ComTac 5 or 6 from folding headband to ARC and discuss proper use of the ARC attached headset. So let's get started. If your headset has a comms mic, detach the microphone connector from the jack on the left ear cup. Unclip the rubber headband clips. Pull the clip out until open and repeat for the opposite clip. Unfold the rubber band by pulling out the ridge attachments one by one and remove the jacket. Rotate the right cup 90 degrees, the one without the control keypad, to detach the ear cup arm guide. Mild force is required. Repeat the step for the other guide and remove the cup. At this stage, the ear cup should look as shown. Rotate the left cup 90 degrees to detach the ear cup arm guide. Mild force is required. Repeat this step for the other guide and remove the cup. At this stage, the ear cup should look as shown. If your headset has a comms mic, rotate the boom microphone ear cup arm guide 90 degrees to make sure it detaches with relative ease and remove the boom microphone ear cup arm guide. If your headset does not have a comms mic, the arm guide on the left front does not need to be replaced and disregard any instructions related to the comms mic. Remove the existing boom microphone ear cup arm guide on the helmet attachment by rotating it 90 degrees and remove the microphone ear cup arm guide from the helmet attachment. There is only one boom microphone ear cup arm guide on the helmet attachment. Install the boom microphone with the ear cup arm guide on the helmet attachment. Make sure you align the boom microphone ear cup arm guide with the wire as shown to make sure it fits with relative ease. Install the helmet attachment with the boom microphone on the left ear cup. The left ear cup houses the control keypad. First, rotate the left cup to attach the ear cup arm guide. If you have trouble attaching, the use of a gripping tool may be helpful. Rotate the boom microphone ear cup arm guide in position and install the boom microphone connector to the ear cup connector jack on the left ear cup. Repeat these steps for the other guide. At this stage, the ear cup should look as shown. Attach the other helmet attachment to the right ear cup and repeat these steps for the other guide. The ear cup should look as shown. Now, attach the ARC attachment to your high-cut helmet. Now that your headset is attached to your high-cut helmet, let's talk about wear and use. The ARC attachments should be worn on the ARC rail directly above the ear. The ARC attached headset can be worn in two positions, tactical and ventilation. The headset should be in the tactical position whenever exposure to hazardous noise is possible. To place the headset into the tactical position, press the ear cups toward the ear until you hear a click. Ensure the ear fits within the cushion. In the ventilation position, space is created between the ear cup and the ear, allowing ventilation in hot environments when hazardous noise is not anticipated. To switch to ventilation position, pull outwards on the ear cups until they click into place. In ventilation mode, avoid placing the cups against the helmet as this can flex the ear cup adjustment arm. For additional information about your ComTac headset, please refer to the product user instructions. Thanks for watching and be safe.